Today, we are looking at how to add your Louvolite one-touch jewel with Meta over Thread to Amazon Alexa. If you don't have the Alexa app on your device, download it and follow along. You will need a compatible Amazon device. In this case, we are using Amazon Echo. Your first step is to put your one-touch jewel motor into pairing mode. Press the programming button on the back of the remote. The blind will jog. Press the down button. The blind jogs. Press the up button. The blind will jog. Press the programming button again on the back of the remote and the blind will jog once more. A blue flashing light on the motor head indicates that the blind is now in pairing mode and ready to be connected to your Amazon device. Let's add a blind to Alexa. Tap Alexa to open the app. Tap on the light bulb at the bottom towards the left corner. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap on Add Device. Tap on the Meta logo. Select Yes. Tap on Scan QR Code. Scan the QR code at the back of the bottom bar. Tap on Connect. Wait a moment until your device is connected and tap on Next. Name your blind and tap on Update Name and then Done. You can now open the blind using the Alexa app or simply ask Alexa to open or close the blind for you. Let's put it to the test. Alexa, open showroom blind.
Okay.
Now we'll show you how to create routine. Routines and automations allow you to ask Alexa to perform a sequence of actions when prompted, or have it run automatically at a set time. Let's create a routine where the blinds open at 6 a.m. every day. Tap on Showroom Blind. Tap on the gears icon in the top right corner. Tap on Create a Routine. Tap on Add an Event. Tap on Schedule. Select At a Time. We want it to be repeated daily. Tap Add Time and select the time you want your blinds to open. Tap on Next. Tap on Rename and rename your routine. Tap on Save. You have now set your routine and your blind will open every morning at 6 a.m. Automations and routines are simple to set up and give you great flexibility in how you control your blinds. If you would like to know more about the Louvolite one-touch jewel with Meta and Thread or any other product from Blind Designs, visit us at blinddesigns.co.za. To find a distributor near you, click the Find Distributor tab on our site and choose the one closest to you. I am Libon. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.